Hello friends, this is a second episode of the first part as I show you how to, if the battery is die, what will happening. The second problem is if the battery is die, the car get stupid. The problem is after drain completely the battery, the problem is after you charge the battery, still whenever you try to lock or unlock the door, the mirror is not folding. Okay, when you lock should be fold, but it's not folding at all, unfortunately. And also at the night you cannot to see project lighting to the floor. As you know, whenever you unlock the door, the logo of the AMG in here in the floor, but it's not working even. I mean, the lighting system is not working as well, and many options. What you have to do, I'm going to show you a step by step. After you open the door, okay, and also the seat is not getting at the same memory as did you sit in here, and the steering wheel is not coming down. What you have to do, you have to reprogramming. How? Let me show you. I'm gonna, do you see? Now it's coming down. Mirror is not folding, but just you have to push this middle button. Do you see? This is the first, and open. Okay, and come here and go to the menu. Whenever you go to the menu, go to vehicle, whenever you go to the vehicle, come here. Okay, mirror folding. Okay, you have to turn off the mirror, go next and come back again and turn on. Okay, that's all. Now it's working fine. I'm gonna show you. Okay, now I'm gonna lock the door. Do you see? It's locking, and also the light projection light is coming on because right now it's day, that's why you cannot to see. Right now everything is working fine. Okay, but just remember, this car is a little bit complicated if you get battery die or something like that. McLaren is much easier than this car if you get this kind of issue, because I know about the McLaren, but Mercedes-Benz is difficult, unfortunately. And also the stupid design, shame of you, Mercedes. I mean, jack position is horrible section. I mean, two front and two rear. That's why whenever you jack, unfortunately you have to buy bigger jack. You cannot to do by regular jack. And also the space is circle. That's why it's very small, very difficult to find the jack stand, jack spot. Okay, this is the second problem now, unfortunately, with the jack. But other than that, at this moment it looks good. Thank you so much for watching. If you like my video, just please like and subscribe. I really appreciate it. Have a great day. We are gonna update you with the next video.